Hello children, how are you? Fine? Welcome to your literature class of standard 3. Do you remember that what we started last class? Yes, we started a poem. Do you remember its name? Yes, the name of the poem is The Quarrel. What was the meaning of the word quarrel that I told you that day? Yes, to fight with words, not with your hands and legs or any other object. Okay. So, today we will continue with the same poem. Okay. And before we start, let's have a recap of the poem. So, in this poem, what we see that there is quarrel between a brother and sister. They started a quarrel and the sister tells that she quarreled with her brother, but she is not aware that why she quarreled with him. She doesn't remember that what was the topic, how it began and all. Okay. And one thing led to another. That means they started quarreling on one topic and it led to another topic and then to another, and slowly and gradually the matter became very serious. They fell into very serious quarrel. It started from a very small and slight thing, and it became very big. At the end, it became very strong and serious. Now, we will do the remaining part of the poem. Listen to it very carefully. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Now, the poetess tells that he said that he was right when they were arguing with each other. The brother said that he was right, but she is telling that I knew that he was wrong, but he was not accepting the mistake. In order to win the argument, he was not accepting that he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. So the argument became so serious that they start hating one another. They start hating each other. This thing happens with us also, no? When we quarrel with our brothers or sisters, and when it becomes very serious, then what happens? We start imagining lot of things. We start hating them. We start disliking them. And we are strongly determined that we will not talk to them. We will not share our things with them. We'll never see their face, and so on. And then what happens? There is complete silence in the house. There is pin drop silence, as if there is no one in the house, no? So this thing happened in the case of poetess also. They quarreled, and when their quarrel became very serious, they start hating each other. And when they started hating each other, everything between them stopped. That's why she tells here that the afternoon turned black. The afternoon turned black means the afternoon became very dull and boring because there was no fun, there were no naughty activities, there was no sharing of feelings, and that's why the afternoon turned black. It became boring, very boring. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Then suddenly what happened? Her brother thumped on her back. Thumped means give a hard friendly pat like this. You go and give a pat on someone's back, no? That is called thumped. So suddenly what happened? Her brother thumped on her back and said, "Oh, come on. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong. So he was in the right. And when he thumped, what he said? Oh, come on. We can't go all night. He said that. Oh, come on. Leave everything. Let's patch up. Let's not continue quarreling anymore. And because we can't go all night, we can't continue quarreling like this and spoil our night. So let's patch up, okay? Let's come together and let's become normal as if we have never fought, and as we used to stay together earlier, let's live together now again. So in order to end the quarrel, he accepted that he was wrong, okay? But the sister realized that he was not wrong. He was the one who was right. Why he was right? Because he was the one who came forward to end the quarrel. He came forward to patch up with her. Okay, that's why she is telling that. So he was in the right. So what have you learned from this poem, children? We have learned that there is special kind of bonding between brothers and sisters, no? There is special kind of bonding and love among them. Even if we fight with them, then again we come closer very soon. Why? Because of that love. So keep loving your brothers and sisters, keep caring for them, and even if you fight, don't let it continue for a longer period. Okay? Now we will do the word meanings of this poem. Word meanings. Number 1. Quarrel means fight with words. Number 2. Siblings means brothers or sisters. Number 3. One thing led to another means things happened one after another. Number 4. Fell out means quarreled. Number 5. Slight means something small and not important. Number 6. Thumped means gave a hard friendly pat. And number 7. Go on means keep on quarreling. So children, that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.